Hi, I'm Nicole, Chapter's Interior Design Lead, and today I'm going to show you around our renovation of a 2-bedroom apartment on the Upper East Side with amazing views to the East River. When we design and renovate, we are sensitive to each of our clients' specific needs. The design of this apartment needed to be entirely accessible and barrier-free, which you can see through various design elements throughout the space. For the bedrooms in this apartment, we brought the white porcelain marble tile into the entrances of the bedroom and then transitioned to a wood look porcelain tile for the main area. The shower is one of the most important places to consider accessibility and the safety of our client. We have a sliding shower door with an opening that's a bit wider than a typical shower and no bumps between the main floor and the shower floor tiles. Within the shower, we have various elements to make it accessible, including 2 grab bars and a handheld shower that is easy for the client to reach, as well as 2 shower shelves that are in reach as well. Compared to commercial settings, we found grab bars that are much sleeker, more modern, and fit in with the overall aesthetic of the bathroom. They raise and lower so that they can be the most accommodating for the client. In this primary bath, I designed a totally custom dressing area for the client. It's super unique to be able to have an area like this in a New York City apartment. In the guest bath, we mimic the same finishes as in the primary bathroom. Lastly, at the edge of the living room, we designed a custom desk for the client overlooking the East River to maximize the layout of the apartment. Start a new chapter with us.